Just about done servicing here for the day. We got Mag and Logan up top. They're fueling it up. Got the fuel trailer rolling. We got it greased. Got everything else fueled up. It's ready to roll. Caught a little rain this weekend. Got about a ½ inch to an inch pretty much everywhere. But we gave it a day to dry out. Hoping that we can just get rolling here after lunch, get some more wheat knocked out. We finished?
Yeah.
How are we, Logan?
Good.
Okay.
We're ready for lunch again.
We gotta get the headers off. Mag's just trying to get his header off here. Gets down, putting the sensors up, putting the pins in them. I'm gonna go take the shaft and the hydraulic stuff off. Day 4 here, wheat harvest. We're just rolling. Got some rain this weekend, so it took us a little while this morning to get the moisture back down to the level we wanted it. We're doing pretty solid here, rolling around at about 12. Got McGuire over there in his machine. We're just knocking it out. Logan's over in the cart. He's about to unload me on the way back. So, just getting it cut.
It's day 4 wheat harvest. We had yesterday off because of rain, but we're back going. We had a later start, about 1 o'clock, but we've had to do a lot of moving today, a lot of long moves, so just got going on the 3rd field. I just opened up these headlands down here, just ate supper, had some barbecue beef sandwiches, drank a Mountain Dew with some pasta salad. But Ben's supposed to be flying the drone for us, just like old times. So if the drone crashes, that's it on him this time, not me. But Zane flipped over the semi. He was running the combine, but now he's in the semi. Just wrapped up day 4 of wheat harvest. Just got unloaded. As you can tell, I'm done for the night. It's 10:23, so we are parking them for the night. Pretty good day for the short day we had. So be back at it tomorrow. Dang it! We should just pull a little bit harder, boy.
Got dusted. As you guys can see, the ladder is stuck, and DJ MJ is trying to get it unstuck. Where do you see it wedged at? You want me to pull?
Pull.
We got it, we got it.
Just pulling up to the field here. Started another day. I think this is technically be day 5 wheat harvest. Got a lot cut yesterday. Got a big day ahead of us. Mag and Logan are already here at the field. As you can see, I'm pulling up. Looks like they're fueling up already. Got a full day of greasing here. Or a full morning of greasing. Hopefully it doesn't take the whole day, but looks like they're already rolling.
Made it off the tire.
Getting the machines fueled up. Logan's over here cleaning the filters out. Let's get him in action.
Things aren't that dirty.
He's too good at cleaning the filters out. Got a lot of practice. Mag's got a bag of something going up.
I get the delivery.
Looks like he's got a bag of Mountain Dew going into the fridge.
Do it in the fridge. Good for Logan.
He's been on a real health kick here lately for harvest. So, getting that already. He needs to come grab one of these grease guns though.
Let me a grease gun.
Let's see if I can get this turned for him. Even though I fell off the tire. Ways to go.
Okay, stop.
Can you grab that there? You see it? See he's getting in there. Snagging that soon. That way?
No, other way. Okay, hold it.
Looks like Mag's snagging it right there. He's got the other GoPro going. I also
Actually, keep turning a
just
little
fell
bit.
off the tire.
Keep turning it a little bit.
Gotta keep turning it.
Other way.
You know?
Yeah, there you go.
Like that.
Yeah, there you go.
Mag has completed one.
Is it just these two? Yes?
Yep.
Just grease this thing down in here. Gotta do the second combine.
Oh, just greasing, and then luckily here, John Deere, they made this design gate. You have to remove that step. There's a nice zerk up here. It's unseeable. They just expect you to get it though for some reason. I don't know what's up with that. Just unloading on the go into Logan. McGuire's up there. He's having some issues with some codes on his combine. He's on the phone trying to get that figured out. We're just cutting away. We're in pretty good wheat. We wrapped up one field from last night. We had about 55 acres there this morning. We knocked out an 80 and we're trying to knock out another one right now. So we're just rolling. Well, McGuire got back rolling. Hopefully he doesn't face any more problems. We want to keep the machines going so we can get the most cut at a time, but I'll just let you know he's getting back. We're in some pretty good wheat right now.
Been rolling a while. Field 3 for the day. Mag 780 broke down for a little bit, got going. About halfway done with the field. Ready to get to the next one. And I'm ready for supper. Just finishing up field 3 of the day. Mag just unloaded into me. There he goes to take his header off. Zane's finishing up over there. We'll be heading to our next field and supper should be ready soon. I'm ready for that. Going to unload Mag right now. take you guys with me, show you the process, what I do. Usually come in around like 7 miles an hour. Right in the auger, get lined up. Turn my seats on. Down to the speed we're going, it's around, I'd say like 4 miles an hour. Maybe like, yeah, probably 4. Once I look like I'm lined up, good. I center my auto steer and turn it on. So then I'm perfectly fine. I don't gotta mess with the steering. I can just go. For me to adjust it on the screen, I can just move it around. It's fun. Then I just wait till they get finished unloading. That's basically what I do. You know? Then when they finish unloading, you can just turn your wheel, auto steer off, and you can drive wherever you need to go. It's a pretty easy method I use. Never used to really use auto steer, but I've just learned to like it a lot more. Then you can like eat when you're doing stuff. And I just come wait till they call me to go unload to the next person. Duffy, say hi to everyone. No, get away from me. You stink. You smell like a skunk. I think you just got sprayed. Duffy. Wow, such a cute dog. Just finished up for the night. Ready to get some sleep. Bags unloading onto me right here. Feel like a pretty long day today. Feel like a lot of sitting. Just ready to get out and get some movement. That's it.
So just pulling up here to service for the morning. We don't have to do a full service this morning, luckily. Just got to clean the air filters out, clean the DEF filters. Got to hit a couple grease zerks, but for the most part we don't got to do too much. Mag and Logan, they're going to be on their way. They were helping my dad fill his planter with Milo before they came over. grain cart right now. Logan's rolling in there, he just got his lunch. We're cutting Wolverine right now. This is seed wheat, and hopefully in the video earlier we will show the auger getting set up back at our bins. But this is seed wheat, so this stuff is going to go back to the farm, and we'll store it in our bins here for a couple months before we get around cleaning wheat. And that's a whole nother process, but all this wheat is getting trucked back to the farm. Well, we've known here for a minute that the gearbox is going out over on the left side of the header. We've just been filling it up with gear lube, keeping it going, trying to make sure it's always full so we don't run out, because then it would have just been finished then. But Prairie Land, they're here, ready to fix it, so this machine's going to be down for just a little bit. Hopefully we can get back rolling at a decent time. Logan and Grandma, they're trying to get this whole header fixed. Grandma's in charge. Mag's been having some problems, but they got the duct tape on to try and help it feed in just a little bit better. Probably not going to last for long. Mag's going back to cut. So we had lunch a little while ago. We had to do some header adjustments. We're cutting some Wolverine. It's threshing hard, but we're cutting away at it. We've been going for a while, just we're not as far in as we want to be because we had to make the header adjustments. But I know our lunch was, I think it was Jimmy John's sandwiches. I don't know, they were wrapped up, or maybe it was Jimmy John's bread, and we made this. They made the sandwiches, and then Mountain Dew, some chips. I haven't really looked in the lunchbox, but. This is also my grandpa's back here. It's his 51st wheat harvest from him after he took over full time on the farm. So 51, that's a lot of wheat harvests.